With the available 9-inch color touchscreen, drivers can take advantage of a customizable layout and easy control of audio functions and vehicle settings and the turn-by-turn directions. Before you can use the system, vehicle power must be set to accessory or on. From any app, you can simply press the Home button to bring up the home screen. To go back to previously viewed screens, press the Back button. To the left of the display is the audio system's power and volume knob. Push the knob to turn the system on and off, and turn the knob to increase or decrease volume. Pressing the Seek Skip button lets you change the radio station or song. You'll also find several audio remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, letting you adjust the volume, change the audio source, and use the Seek and Skip functions. Simply press the Seek Skip button to cycle between preset radio stations, or press and hold to cycle through radio stations with strong signals. Press the Home button and swipe through the home screens to browse the apps. If another app is open, tap an app shortcut at the bottom of the screen to quickly navigate between your favorite apps. Tap and hold either a home screen app or a shortcut to open Customizing mode. You can drag and drop apps to reposition them on home screen or move them to another screen. The same process can also be used to reorder shortcuts. To add a new app shortcut, drag the app from the home screen area and drop it over to whichever shortcut you want to replace. At the top of the screen, you'll find 4 accessible functions: Audio Source, Current Audio, System Status, and Clock. With the Audio Source tab, you can easily change between radio, Bluetooth, and other audio sources. The Current Audio tab lets you quickly switch between radio stations or songs on the current audio source. The System Status tab lets you view recent vehicle system messages. And the Clock tab provides a dynamic full-screen clock display that is customizable using the Settings menu. You can activate the vehicle's integrated voice recognition system while driving by pressing the Talk button on the steering wheel, then speaking your command. You'll also see a list of available commands displayed on the screen. Note that if you press and hold the Talk button, it will activate your compatible smartphone's voice service instead if connected.